Hello everyone, my name is Reuben Pali, Maui Music Mission from Lahaina, Maui. Today I'm going to teach you the picking for You Are My Sunshine. I'm going to start off with the third fret here, and it goes something like this. So what I'm starting up with is my third fret. I'm going to bar first and second string on my third fret. I'm going to hit my second string first, and my first string. I'm going up to my third fret on the A string, 7th fret twice. One more time on the 7, drop to the 5th, up to the 7th, and down to the 3rd. Okay, so I'm doing it again. You're going to bar your first and second string on your 3rd fret. Hit your second string first string next, 3rd, 5th fret, twice on your 7th, one more time on your 7th, 5th, 7th, 3rd, twice. Now I'm going to run it up. 3, 5, 7, 8, 12. 12, 10, 8, 7. Then I'm going back to my 3rd, run it up again. 3, 5, 7, 8, 12, reverse. 12, 10, 8, 7, down to your 3. Then I'm going back up. 3, 5, 7, up to your 8, 5, 5, 7, 3. You are my sunshine, guys. Simple as that. If you want to learn any more about this and ukulele lessons, you can sign up in our beginners course, and I'll be happy to teach you guys. I teach you all the fundamentals, teach you the finger position, transition, step by step, and everything that you should know about easy ukulele playing. All right, guys. Aloha. Have a good day.